Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your trusted destination for all things automotive, where we explore the legends, the new icons, and the hidden gems that fuel our passion for cars. Today, we take a nostalgic drive into the golden era of American muscle with a deep look at the 1970 Chevy Nova SS, one of the most underrated yet powerful beasts to ever grace the asphalt. The 1970 Chevy Nova SS was not just another car from the muscle era. It was a raw, aggressive, and straightforward performance machine. When most people talk about muscle cars from the early 70s, they often bring up names like Mustang, Camaro, and Charger. But the Nova SS, especially the 1970 model, stood its ground with pride, offering true muscle performance in a more compact and affordable package. Under the hood, the 1970 Nova SS offered several engine options, but the standout was definitely the 396 cubic inch V8. Officially labeled as the 375 horsepower big block, it was a force to be reckoned with. However, many believe the actual output was closer to 425 horsepower, making it a sleeper monster on the streets. Pair that with either a 4-speed manual or a turbo-hydra-matic automatic transmission, and you had a car that could go from 0 to 60 in just over 6 seconds, impressive even by today's standards. The design of the 1970 Nova SS was clean and muscular. It didn't rely on excessive curves or flashy chrome to make its statement. The bold grille, the iconic SS badging, and the aggressive stance gave it a confident look. The dual hood bulges hinted at the power lying beneath, while the rear end was kept simple yet effective. This balance between style and aggression made the Nova SS a favorite for those who wanted performance without the flashiness of a Camaro or a Corvette. Inside the cabin, things were kept straightforward. No fancy tech or luxury gimmicks, just pure driving focus. Bucket seats, a floor-mounted shifter, and a 3-spoke steering wheel were all you really needed. The dashboard was functional, with easy-to-read gauges and just enough space to make you feel connected to the car. While it wasn't designed for comfort like some of the luxury cruisers of the era, it gave drivers exactly what they wanted: control, simplicity, and a strong mechanical connection to the road. On the road, the Nova SS was a blast to drive. The steering was tight, the suspension was firm, and the throttle response was immediate. It felt like the car wanted to race at every stoplight. And the sound, the deep rumble of that big block V8, was like a symphony for gearheads. It wasn't the quietest ride, but that wasn't the point. This car was built for thrills, not whispers. What made the 1970 Nova SS truly special was its versatility. It could be a daily driver during the week and a drag strip warrior on the weekend. Enthusiasts loved it because it was easy to work on, affordable to upgrade, and delivered massive performance without needing to break the bank. Over time, it became a cult classic, and today, well-preserved or restored models are highly sought after by collectors and muscle car fans around the world. Many car enthusiasts today still restore and race the 1970 Nova SS, keeping its legacy alive. Whether it's through modern restomods or original factory restorations, this car continues to be a symbol of American muscle done right. It's a reminder of a time when horsepower ruled the roads, and simplicity met power in the best possible way. If you ever get the chance to sit behind the wheel of a 1970 Chevy Nova SS, don't pass it up. You'll feel the rumble, hear the roar, and understand why this car is more than just steel and rubber. It's a living piece of muscle car history. Thanks for joining us today on Car Reviewpedia. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into classic cars, modern machines, and everything in between. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive.